Hey guys, Rachel here. This video is just going to be short and sweet. I am going to give you a little quick and easy detailed video of how to put the earbuds in your ears with a twist and lock, as well as share with you 10 of my friends' opinions and the review of the earbuds. I was given an opportunity to receive and give 10 of my friends earbuds, and this video will just be a quick blurb of them using their earbuds and a quick review of what they have thought of the earbuds. So thanks for watching. I hope that you enjoy the earbuds as much as I and my friends do. Thanks. Hey guys, Rachel. I'm going to demonstrate the twist and lock technique of the earbuds. The first thing that you need to do is make sure that you have the proper earbud into your ear. For example, this is the right earbud, so it's going to go into my right ear. Otherwise, it's not going to fit. It's going to keep falling out. So first things first, you're going to put it in, just with it kind of, and then you're just going to twist, and it's in. No amount of pulling, yanking is going to get your earbud out. So get your proper earbud that matches the ear that you're trying to put it in. You're going to place it in your ear. You're going to twist and lock it in. Secure. Earbud in place.